Folks, I cannot even get started explaining what is it I'm feeling at the moment. You see, the funny thing is I've been listening to this track since the morning, and right now, as you can see on my screen, it's 5 p.m. right? I don't know, that's me, folks. I get obsessed over music. Thing is, again, I keep repeating one and the same track. It can take me hours, days, or maybe even weeks sometimes. Okay, anyways, let's get into it. We're doing 5.24, as you can see. Okay, so right now we want to write a program to sum the following series. Okay, the idea is pretty straightforward here. I don't even have to explain the logic. Okay, but as you guys know, one way or the other, I'm gonna give out a solution, regardless of how simple the problem might seem. But I have to give out a solution. Denominator, okay? I'll initiate it from 3, as you can see. Okay, bytes, numerator. I'll initiate it to 1. Okay. What I'll then do is to come up with a loop. I'll use a while loop to simply go, and I'll simply say while numerator is less than or equals to 97 and denominator is less than or equals to 99. Okay, while that is the case, I'll keep adding to my sum. I'll add why do I keep writing number instead of numerator? Numerator divided by denominator. Oops, we might have a problem here. And that is, I've got to initiate these two. One of these numbers, I've got to make it a double. And I hope people know the reason why. Again, there is an alternative to this. This is not the only way things can be done. Okay, this isn't the only way things can be done. Numerator, I'll increment it by 2. Denominator, likewise for my denominator, I'll increment it by 2. That should be pretty much it. Once I'm done doing that, I can simply I can simply print out system.out.print. Can print out my output. The sum is sum. Okay, that is our sum. Again, I know you guys, some of you might make an argument that why did I decide to make this a double? What I can do is to simply change it to a byte, and then on my denominator, what I can then do will be to add 2 0. Would that give me one and the same answer? It has to, and then I can get rid of that. Okay, in fact, here's what I can do. Can get rid of this denominator variable. Let's see what we get now. One and the same answer. Okay, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.